China's BYD is a big name in electric vehicles, not just in China but around the world. They're also known for making the batteries that power those EVs. But like many others, BYD knows that lithium-ion batteries, the current standard, might not be the best option forever. That's why BYD has been working on a new type of battery technology, sodium batteries. To get this sodium battery production going, BYD teamed up with another company in a joint venture. What's exciting is that production for these sodium-ion batteries is about to start very soon. So what does this all mean? How will these sodium batteries perform compared to lithium batteries? Exactly which types of EVs will they be best suited for? Join us as we dive deeper into this exciting development and explore what it means for the future of electric vehicles. China's electric vehicle giant BYD is making a strategic move towards sodium batteries. To solidify their position in this emerging field, BYD has partnered with Huhai, a prominent player in the electric vehicle parts and components industry. This collaboration signifies a significant development in the battery race, with the potential to reshape the landscape of electric vehicles and renewable energy storage. The newly formed joint venture is called Huhai FinDream Sodium Battery Technology. BYD holds a majority stake of 51%, leveraging their expertise in battery technology, while Huhai contributes the remaining 49%, bringing their experience in the electric vehicle sector, particularly smaller electric vehicles like 2- and 3-wheel models. This partnership creates a well-rounded team that is set to become a leader in sodium-ion battery production. Huhai FinDream Sodium Battery Technology isn't just about creating new batteries. The joint venture encompasses the entire battery lifecycle. They plan to manufacture and sell sodium-ion batteries, ensuring a steady supply for the market. Additionally, they'll establish a recycling program for used batteries, promoting sustainability and responsible resource management. The commitment to sodium-ion technology is further emphasized by the construction of a massive factory in Guangxi, China. This facility, built with a staggering investment of 1.4 billion euros, is designed for an annual production capacity of 30 gigawatt-hours of sodium-ion batteries. This translates to a significant volume of batteries that could potentially power a large number of electric vehicles, contributing to a greener transportation landscape. The BYD Huhai joint venture extends beyond just battery production. According to a previous press release, the partnership leverages the strengths of both companies. Huhai will contribute its resources in marketing and identifying potential applications for sodium batteries. This allows FinDreams to focus on what they do best, developing and manufacturing high-quality battery products and services. The project officially kicked off on January 5th of this year with the groundbreaking ceremony for the sodium-ion battery production facility. This marked a significant milestone in bringing this new technology to fruition. Huhai brings a wealth of experience to the table, having been established in 1976. Their diverse operations encompass small vehicles, electric vehicle components, and even financial services. This broad background positions them well to understand the needs of the market and identify strategic applications for sodium batteries. This new battery will first be tested on small vehicles. The decision to target micromobility vehicles like shared bikes and scooters is a shrewd move. These smaller vehicles require less battery power and are generally more forgiving of new battery technologies. This de-risks the commercialization process, allowing BYD to refine and perfect sodium-ion batteries before scaling up for larger applications. Success in the micromobility sector can pave the way for a smooth transition to powering larger electric vehicles in the future. The joint venture isn't solely focused on manufacturing sodium-ion batteries. They're taking a holistic approach, encompassing the entire battery value chain, including recycling. This closed-loop system offers several benefits. First, it ensures a steady supply of raw materials for battery production, reducing reliance on external sources. Second, it promotes sustainability by minimizing waste and maximizing resource recovery. This focus on environmental responsibility aligns perfectly with the growing global demand for clean energy solutions. Partnering with a major local player like Huhai provides BYD with a significant advantage in this competitive field. Significant political and logistical support navigating the complexities of China's domestic electric vehicle and energy market can be challenging for foreign companies. Huhai's established presence and expertise can help BB navigate these intricacies. Their competitor, CATL, unveiled its first-generation sodium-ion battery in July 2021, sparking public interest in this promising technology. While CATL is currently developing a second-generation battery, their spokesperson clarified in a recent interview that sodium-ion isn't intended as a complete replacement for lithium-ion batteries. Instead, they believe sodium-ion batteries will excel in specific applications. The BYD Huhai joint venture signifies a significant step forward in the development and commercialization of sodium-ion batteries. While the technology is still in its early stages, this collaboration demonstrates the potential for sodium-ion batteries to play a major role in the future of electric vehicles and renewable energy storage. The BYD-Huhai partnership is a major step forward in the development and adoption of sodium-ion batteries. This collaboration holds the potential to revolutionize the electric vehicle industry by offering a potentially cheaper and more accessible battery alternative. With continued research and development, sodium batteries could become a game changer not only for electric vehicles, but also for renewable energy storage solutions. So why exactly is this important? Sodium-ion batteries share a similar design concept with the widely used lithium-ion batteries. Both rely on intercalation chemistry, where ions shuttle between the cathode and anode to generate electricity. The key difference lies in the type of ion used. Sodium-ion batteries, as the name suggests, utilize sodium ions instead of lithium ions. This shift offers some significant advantages. The cathode in a sodium-ion battery typically consists of layered transition metal oxides, while the anode often employs hard carbon, similar to lithium batteries. During discharge, sodium ions travel from the anode to the cathode through the electrolyte solution. When charging, the ions reverse their course and flow back to the anode. One of the major benefits of sodium-ion batteries is the affordability and abundance of sodium. Unlike lithium, which requires specific handling and storage procedures, sodium is readily available and poses fewer challenges in terms of logistics. This translates to a simpler and more cost-effective production process for sodium-ion batteries. However, there's a trade-off. Sodium ions, compared to their lithium counterparts, are larger and heavier. This difference impacts the energy density of sodium-ion batteries, meaning they can store slightly less energy per unit weight. Nevertheless, ongoing advancements in material science and battery design are continually improving the energy density of sodium-ion batteries, paving the way for a future where they can compete more effectively with lithium technology. This might be a problem for the United States. The recent investment by Chinese companies, particularly BYD's joint venture for sodium-ion batteries, presents a significant threat to American dominance in the electric vehicle market. This isn't just another competitor entering the ring. It's a potential game changer. Here's why U.S. companies need to take serious notice and accelerate their own innovation efforts. BYD is already a formidable force in the EV landscape. They're not just another startup. They're Tesla's most persistent rival in terms of vehicle sales.